today's video I have the July glossy box. Let's get straight in here to see what goodies we've got. Hi there guys and welcome. Like I said, this is the July glossy box. I actually found this in my garden next to my fence, hiding behind my table and chairs. So the postman has come in and dumped it there. So I think it's been there for a few days, but never mind. This is what the box looks like. That looks very familiar. We've had a box that's looked similar to that in the past, haven't we? I'm sure we have. This costs $13.50 per month. The longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it becomes. I'm trying to open it. This is what it looks like inside. This is my PR box, so I have not paid for this box. This box has been gifted to me on the understanding that I'll do this video to show you lovely lot. I do pay for a monthly box as well because I just love GlossyBox that much. If I like a particular product in a box and I get it twice, then I kind of keep it for me, or I share it with family and friends and so on. But yeah, there is a bit of a sneak peek. Let's get on in here. The July box is called Summer Escape. I'm just gonna scan this to get the edit card so we can read the information about the products. There's two products we have in the box are these. We have a little set going on here, guys. Hallelujah. So these are by the brand We Are Paradox. Both of these are deluxe sizes, and we have a shampoo and a conditioner. That makes me very happy. And they are a volume shampoo and conditioner. They are both have a value of $9.25 each. So for the shampoo, it just says create a caring cleansing hair wash routine with this We Are Paradox volume shampoo. Created with hydrating and conditioning properties, this shampoo uplifts from the root upwards to frame the face some voluminous locks this summer. Sounds amazing. The conditioner just says feed your hair with the good stuff this summer with this We Are Paradox volume conditioner. Infused with hops and white nettle, this conditioner helps to promote the look of fullness, whilst the conditioner's other golden elements consist of hazelnut, coconut, matcha green tea to help hair capture a jaw-dropping shine. Sounds so good, and I cannot wait to use these. I love the packaging that it comes in too. It's the same as the hair mask that they do in like the metal foil packaging. I think these are going to be sealed. Yeah, they are. I'm going to leave them sealed until I use them, but you can certainly expect I will be doing a video on these shampoo and conditioner and see how much volume we can get out of them. The third item in the box is a lucky dip product between two products. So you're either going to get the We Are Paradox deluxe size moisture conditioner with an RRP of £10.50, or the one that I have is this. So this is by the brand Revolution, and it is a full-size highlighter. It has a value of £3, so very affordable indeed. It just says get that golden hour glow with the Makeup Revolution highlighter. Perfect colour to suit any skin tone. This will be one of the staple products this summer. Dust onto the tops of your cheekbones, cupid's bow and nose for that radiant gleam that lasts all day. So the shade I have is called Blushed. So yeah, let's have a little swatch to see what it's like. It feels so nice. Oh, there it is there. Oh wow. Wow. So I was thinking it was going to be more of a pinky. It's got a slight purple shift to it, but I would personally wear that over my blusher. That would look absolutely stunning. It would also look really stunning on the eyelids as well as like an eyeshadow topper. It's very brightening as well, so when that light catches, it'll just be gorgeous, really nice. I wouldn't have picked that colour myself, to be 100% honest, if I went in the shop. But I'm glad that I've got it because that is actually really pretty. But one thing I must say, I am glad I've got this rather than the moisture conditioner by We Are Paradox, because we've already got a shampoo and a conditioner set there. So yeah, really glad to get the highlighter. So the fourth product in the box again is another lucky dip between two items. So the first item is by Luxy Beauty, and it is the 640 Pro Precise Tapered Brush, full size, worth £17. or I'm gonna get what I've got, the second product, which is this. This is by the brand Aurikah, and it's a fragrance mist. It's full size, worth £18. It just says, described as an island escape in a bottle, this body fragrance has all the tones of a tropical getaway without the expensive flight. The body mist leaves a luxurious scent, encasing your skin with island florals and warm rays of light. Sounds gorgeous. I'm sure I've had this one before. I definitely have had a fragrance looking exactly like that. I think it might be this fragrance, but let's just have a smell to remind myself. Oh my god, that smells gorgeous. This is a different scent from one I received ages ago. Oh, that is absolutely freaking lush. And yeah, it's called Tropique, the scent. Fifth item I've got on the box is this. So this is by the brand Bondi Sands. It's a full size item with a value of £4.99, and it just says this is an SPF 50 plus lip balm, tropical mango. Enjoy your sun-soaked day the Bondi Sand way. Hydrate and soothe dry lips with this nourishing Bondi Sands SPF 50 plus lip balm. Plain simple, to the point. Normally I wouldn't test this straight away, but let's do it. I've got lip product on at the moment, so I'm just going to pop some on my hand here. Oh my god, she's thick. Right, so I've just put a bit on there, as you can see. Oh my god, that smells delicious. So good. And I've got to do the taste test. Oh my god, that tastes so good. I'm going to put that on my lips. I'm just going to keep licking it off. I do hope there's not many calories in that because I am literally going to keep licking it off my lips when I put it on. That is lush. Lush. Product number 6, which is an extra treat, is this. So this is by the brand Hagens, and it's a deluxe size worth £7.50 organic face scrub. Ultra gentle on sensitive skin. This Hagens organic face scrub is perfect for cleansing and purifying your skin this summer. Apply a medium amount to the skin, add water to help exfoliate and deep clean your skin's pores. I have received this before. I can't remember where I've received it before, but I have, and it was actually quite nice to use. I'm not going to open it up, but I do know from the last one I've had, once you open it up, you've got to use it pretty sharpish because it actually dries out in there. In fact, it should be sealed. Oh no, it's not. Okay, well, I've opened it now. There it is there. It smells all right. It's not one of my favourite face scrubs I've ever used, but it certainly is pleasant. Make sure to use it before it dries out. Right guys, so this is the July GlossyBox Summer Escape Edit. What do you think? Personally, I actually really like in this box. Let's take a quick look and remind ourselves what we've got in here. So, I am well chuffed. We've got a We Are Paradox product in here. Well, 2 products in here, which is the shampoo and conditioner volume. I cannot wait to try them out. I think there's one hair mask which I've tried which I wasn't keen on, but I have tried some other of the hair masks which have been amazing, so can't wait to use the shampoo and conditioner. Very glad I didn't get the other Lucky Dip product, which was another conditioner, hydrating one, and I got the highlighter by Revolution, which is an absolute gorgeous colour. I will definitely get lots of use out of that. The body mist fragrancy thing smells out of this world. Oh my god, just beautiful. And this gorgeousness right here is super thick. You saw how I tried like squeezing it out. It's just beautiful. It smells so tropical. It's totally the mango. you taste it and it's just a beautiful mango taste. Like I say, I'm gonna have trouble not licking this off my lips every time I put it on. But yeah, so good. This one, the special treat one, or extra treat, it's all right. It's a nice little face scrub. I've just had better, that's all. But it's a great little size, so if you're going travelling, it will fit in your travel bag without taking up too much room. So yeah, that is nice. I'd love to try some other products by Hagens, really would. But yeah, like I say, I like this box. What did you get in your box? Comment down below and let me know. Or have you not got this box yet? Or have you not signed up to this box yet? If not, I will leave the link down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click and go and subscribe. You'll get your first box for £10, which is a nice little steal indeed. And the longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it becomes monthly as well. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.